Good morning everyone, welcome to the Python classes. First of all, we'll start the Python. So first of all, you have to install the Anaconda Navigator. So in my system it is already installed, so I'm just starting from this. So first of all, we have to search for the Anaconda Navigator. Just click on this. After clicking on this, you will get the screen like this. Okay, after this, if you are getting like this screen, so you have to go for the Jupyter notebook. Just click on the launch and you will get this particular screen will be coming, and that represents we have already launched the Jupyter. So you can find out in the Chrome that the Jupyter page has been launched. You can find out the few options here. So for opening a new file, so you have to see for the new on the right hand side. You can see here I'm just clicking here. So you will get a Python 3 file. So click on this Python 3. You will find out a new file. Okay, it's just opening. Wait a while. Okay, you will get like this environment for the executing the code. So first of all, if we would like to print anything, okay, just like in the C program and the C++ programs, so we have to just write here print in parenthesis and double quotes hello world. It is just same as other programming languages. Print here is used for printing the particular string what we have wrote in a particular inverted commas. Okay, here parenthesis represents what we have written in the particular print function. It is going to be print as a output. For running this particular line for execution, you can see here the run command. You have to just click here the run, then you will get the output hello world. Okay, so as for the calculations of addition of two numbers, suppose addition of two numbers, you don't have to consider here any kind of variables. You can directly perform the additions. For example, 5 plus 10. So after calculating this, you will find out, after execution this, you will find out the sum of that particular two numbers. Similarly you can perform the subtraction. Okay, so here I am writing 10 minus of 5, so you will find out the output is 5. Okay, if I am writing here 5 minus of 10, then this output will be minus 5. So here we don't have to confirm that whether they are getting the values in the positive value or the negative value. Whatever the value will be there, it will be given as a output. Similarly, we can perform the multiplication, division and others. Okay, so this is the just an example what we are performing in the Python. Clear? Okay, next we'll see what we are going to use. Okay, so this is about the printing. This is about the basics of Python, how we are going to use about the print, as well as how we are going to perform the addition, subtraction and other operations. In the similar way, if we are going to perform the division operation, okay, so what we are going to do, 10 divided by 5. Okay, then if we are going to calculate it, it will provide it in a decimal point. Okay, for only the integer value, division operation to get for integer value, we have to use double slash. Okay, we have to use double slash. How it is going to use? 10 double slash of 5, then it will produce only the integer value, that is 2. Okay, so you can find out this particular operations what we have performed in this lecture. So this is about the basics of Python which we are going to use. In the next lecture we are going to study about the data types and how we are going to use about that data type.